Namo Venkatesaya. Welcome to Payana Guide. If you are first time to our channel, please subscribe. In this video, I will explain the step-by-step process to book accommodation in Tirumala and Tirupati for online ticket holders. For non-ticket holders, please refer the link provided in the description. On 24th or 25th of every month, 3 months advanced accommodation quota will be released by the TTD. Please keep a note that usually 300 rupees special ticket will be released at 10 a.m. in the morning and accommodation quota will be released at 3 p.m. on the same day. And also please note that except Divyanugraha Homa tickets, rest of all the online tickets like Arjita Sevas, Anga Pradakshina, Senior Citizen, Virtual Seva, all these tickets will be released before this accommodation tickets so that it will help all online Darshan ticket holders to book accommodation according to the Darshan dates. Accommodation release date and time might change in future. So better every month from 19th onwards check the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal site regularly for the latest updates to get the accurate accommodation release date and time. Type TTD in the browser and click on TTD official website link. Then click on the online services option. Then choose Darshan option link. It redirects to TTD official online website. Click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. So exactly at 3 p.m. repeat the process of clicking on online services and choosing the accommodation option for every 30 seconds till you see the watch timer with waiting time 5 minutes normally. Once the watch timer displays, don't refresh the page or do any other activity. Wait till the timer stops to 0. Then you will see the screen with important instructions. Click on the checkbox and click on continue button. Then the screen with month calendar displayed. First select the accommodation location Tirumala or Tirupati. Here I am choosing Tirumala exclusively for ticket holders since I have 2 Darshan tickets for senior citizen. This will redirect to the new page where we need to select the service. Here I am choosing senior citizen category. Then booking details will be displayed. From here I will choose book accommodation. Then it will redirect back to the accommodation booking page. Again we need to select the location as Tirumala. You will see only 2 dates will be shown for booking the accommodation. So those dates are nothing but the date which you have booked the darshan ticket and the previous date. So only whenever you are choosing this option, it will allow only for 2 days for booking the accommodation. In that you need to choose only one date for which the accommodation quota released will show in green or yellow color based on the availability. Green color means more availability and yellow color means the quota is filling fast with limited available accommodation slots. So choose the date for which you need accommodation. Then it will display the available rooms with amount. In Tirumala, 3 types of rooms are available: 100, 999, 1518. As there is a huge demand for rooms in Tirumala, the higher cost 1518 rupees rooms quota slots are full. so it is not showing for me. If you want rooms in Tirumala, you should be very quick in booking. In Tirumala, you cannot see the guest house names. Only the cost of the rooms are displayed. Choose time slot. Choose the room whichever is convenient for you based on the amount. It will display the room charge details with tax and refundable caution deposit. So if everything is fine, then click on continue button. It will pop up message saying the room is allotted only for 24 hours. So please note that you need to get the room allotted by showing your accommodation receipt within the check-in slot timings. If you go late after the check-in time slot, the room will automatically allotted to the other persons, so be on time. And also you need to vacate the room within the checkout time, otherwise they'll put a penalty and deduct the amount from your caution deposit. So click OK after understanding these instructions. Then it will take you to the screen where you need to enter the pilgrim and general details and then click on review button. It will display the pilgrim and general details along with payment details also. If all the details are proper, then click on continue to the payment button. So it will take you to the payment options where you can see there are different options. One is pay via QR code, UPI, credit, debit or ATM cards and net banking options. So you can choose whichever the options which is convenient for you and click on pay now button. So this will complete your payment process and booking the accommodation. If the accommodation booking is successful, then you can view and download this receipt by navigating to the home page and then clicking on the booking history option. And once you click on the booking history option, you can see there is some select service option is there. There you need to choose the accommodation option. Once you choose the accommodation option, it will display the details of the accommodation booking details with payment as success, link to download the accommodation receipt. Now we will see how to book accommodation in Tirupati for online ticket holders. I am choosing the Tirupati exclusively for ticket holder option. So why I am choosing this? Due to this following reasons. One is you will get an option to choose the guest house because it will display the guest house names also. And second thing is the availability of guest houses are more in Tirupati. And the third point is the chances of getting good rooms like AC double bedroom, suite rooms is more. And fourth point, if I want to tell, the guest houses are close to the railway stations and bus stands. So it's good for the people who opt for these services for traveling. Let's see how to book these rooms. So select Tirupati exclusively for ticket holders. It will redirect to the booking history page. There you need to select the option which you have booked the Darshan tickets. I am choosing here senior citizen category. So once I choose this, it will display the booking details and also you can see one button accommodation link which is enabled. So click on that book accommodation link. So it will redirect back to the accommodation page. Choose Tirupati. Now what will happen is, so for the calendar month which the accommodation slots are opened, it will display But in this option, you will see only two dates. So those dates are nothing but the date which you have booked the darshan ticket and the previous date. So only whenever you are choosing this option, it will allow only for 2 days for booking the accommodation. In that you need to choose only one date. So once you choose the date, choose time slot. Then you can see all the guest house names along with the available slots and the prices are displayed. So you can choose whichever the guest house you want, and then once you select that option, it will display the charge details of the room along with the GST and caution deposit amount also. If the things are okay for you, then click on the continue button. It will pop up message, click OK after understanding these instructions. So it will take you to the screen where you need to select the pilgrim details and then the general details, and once this pilgrim and general details are filled, then click on review button. So then it will take you to the another screen where it will show the details of the pilgrim and the general details along with the payment details. So if all the details are okay, then you click on continue to payment. So it will redirect to the payment options. Then you can choose whichever the payment option you are comfortable with and click on pay now button. So that's it. The rooms will be booked. If any cases of failure, then that will also, you can see the history in the booking history by choosing the accommodation option. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.